Have you ever thought, I could really use more dongles? Well, then you're in luck, because I'm here to show you how many dongles it takes to connect an iOS device to the Hypno video input. First, we start with this Lightning to HDMI adapter. This is the overpriced Apple one. There are more affordable models available, but this is the one I have. Then we plug an HDMI cable into that. Next, we take a video capture card to turn the HDMI signal into a USB signal. Lastly, to plug into the front micro USB port on the Hypno, we need to turn this USB-A into a micro USB. Now I should unlock my phone. So here we go. Now we have the iPhone going into the Hypno. Now you might say that's a lot of dongles just to go from Lightning to micro USB. And it is, but these dongles are more to tell the iPhone the type of signal to send and the Hypno what type of signal to expect than just about simply going from Lightning to micro USB. Once we have the iPhone plugged into the Hypno, the standard video input controls apply on the Hypno. So we have Y crop, X crop, Luma key max, Luma key min, and aspect ratio correction. What are some fun things that we can do? Well, one basic thing I really like to do is just take this signal and use the Y crop function to really smash it. I think this makes really beautiful lines, and you can modulate those lines in interesting ways. Like we could take oscillator B and modulate oscillator A, the video input, with that. I think just this looks great on its own. Even just switching menus on the iPhone looks really amazing. Another thing I like to do in this mode is put text through it. Let's turn this landscape. Here I have a saved patch with some more complex modulation. Now let's see what happens if we put a YouTube video through the Hypno. This is the February 2021 Sleepy Newsletter. Of course, there are plenty of other apps available on iOS that are great for pumping into the Hypno's video input. TouchViz is a 2-channel video mixing app with plentiful effects and blending modes. You could load in your own video clips or use the iPad's camera. It's $10 and only available for iPad. Magic Fluids is a beautiful graphics generator available for iPad and iPhone in paid and free versions. VLC is a lightweight video player that's available for free on the iPad and iPhone. Project M is the audio visualization app Milk Drop from the WinApp days, but now available on iOS. Admittedly, the video delay from the phone to the Hypno's video input is a bit too much for true audio reactive video, but it looks cool regardless. It's $3 on the iPad and iPhone. Splode Lab is a unique and abstract video generator free for iPad and iPhone. Despite all the dongles, it's great to feed the Hypno with such a portable device that has a familiar interface. I hope you enjoyed this mini tutorial. Now get off your phone and get some sleep.